Dear farmers, those farmers who are growing pomegranate, they are facing lot of problem this particular year because of excess rain. And indiscriminately you have used antibiotics, fungicides and so many spurious, harmful chemicals. As a result, you can see due to blight and wilt, this is from a farmer's field, how many plants he has lost it, and this is all because of going for fruiting during rainy season. What I want to tell you is avoid rainy season for pomegranate fruit season, because once you get into rainy season, it is very difficult to control this blight and wilt, anthracnose and fruit cracking, fruit dropping. All these problems will come more in rainy season, and you will lose the trees also. After a continuous use of antibiotics and fungicides, the trees become naturally weak and they will die. So many farmers have uprooted many times and they go for new planting. Again they will come with the same problem. What I want to suggest you is, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research, Hesaraghatta, Bangalore has developed a wonderful technology called ARCA Microbial Consortium method to grow pomegranate organically. This is completely organic, very safe, and when you grow with this ARCA Microbial Consortium method, the expenditure you are incurring is just almost half of what you are spending with antibiotics, fungicide and other methods. So what I suggest is, farmers who have completed their rest period during this year, go for ethereal spray in this month and go for fruit season from November 15th. Before November 15th you do this, so that you keep the garden clean, go for ethereal spray and follow ARCA Microbial Consortium method into 2, so that you will get full benefit at half of the cost, and I assure you the crop will be successful if you go for before November 15th ethereal spray, and you will be able to harvest it before the monsoon rain starts in May end or June. So you can escape from all these diseases and insect pests if you go for the harvesting during May-June period. So I suggest all the pomegranate farmers to go for ethereal spray in the month of November, and it is always advisable to go for organic method, that is ARCA Microbial Consortium method explained by IIHR Bangalore. And if you want any of these ARCA Microbial Consortium product or anything, you can contact me. My contact number is 944-981-6282. So you can contact me anytime 944-981-6282. I will be able to help you in solving your problems, and I will try to arrange ARCA Microbial Consortium and its other products. If you require it, you can contact me at any time in this number. Thank you.